Select from user preset 1, 2, or 3. Then press S to cycle from temperature, timer 1 and timer 2. Use plus and minus buttons to adjust desired value. Transferring pressure can then be set via plus and minus button. Choose from P0 to P8. Timer 1 is designed for preheating material. It can be set to 0 seconds if this isn't necessary. Thank you for choosing Tosingraf HPL. For more info, visit our webpage at www.mtacompany.com.